In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Deriv demo account or your Deriv real account to your MetaTrader 5 or MT5. So from the previous video, I've already showed you how you can create and verify your Deriv account using your mobile phone. Make sure you check that particular video. If you don't have a Deriv account, just check the link in the comment section that is going to be pinned, and just watch the video and follow the step. So this is currently the app. If you don't have the app, all you need to do after creating your account using the link in the comment section, just go to App Store or Google Play Store. So when you are at App Store or Google Play Store, just type Deriv. Okay, just type Deriv and you are going to see Deriv online trading. Then you tap Deriv online trading here. Then you wait. You are now going to see the app. So this is the app. If you are using iOS, just tap get, or you just install or download. Okay, after you install or download, then you are good to go. What are you going to now do? You are now going to log in using the information you use when you click the link, the one you initially use to create and verify your account. Now you are now going to log in. All right, you see login at the top here. You are now going to log in. You tap login. When you tap the login, now you are now going to use the email and the password you initially used when creating your Deriv account. All right, just use the email and the password. Then you are now going to log into your account. Okay, so now that you have created and you have verified your Deriv account, how do you connect the demo account? What is a demo account? A demo account is an account which is being provided by your broker, in this case Deriv. They provide you with virtual fund. This fund is used for you to practice, for you to understand the platform, for you to be able to understand how the market operates. After, you can now create real account and deposit real money. But for now, don't deposit real fund. So now you are going to see try demo trading. Okay, you are going to see try demo trading, and if you go to the bottom here, you are going to see explore Deriv. They have options. This is also another market. They have swap free account, gold account, P2P, and if you want, you can tap more, and you are going to see so many. So let's tap more. Let's see. When you tap more, let's see the options that are going to be available. So now you are going to see lots and lots of other different things. These are all stuff that I'll explain to you. All right, these are all stuff that I'll explain to you. So now when you tap more, you're going to see MT5 STD. So what is this MT5 STD? This is MetaTrader 5. STD is standard. With the Deriv MT5 STD account, you can trade almost all financial markets. With this single account, you can trade crypto, you can trade stock, you can trade indices, you can trade synthetic indices, and so many other markets. So just tap this one. All right, just tap this particular one. So when you tap the MT5 STD, you are going to arrive at this particular interface. So you are going to see real and demo. Leave this to demo. All right, for now you want to understand how the market operates. So you are going to see leverage. This is fixed. You are not going to be able to change it, the spread, all right, and everything. So the market, you are going to be able to trade forex, you are going to trade stock, cryptocurrency, you are going to stock indices, stock commodities, all right, like gold, silver, platinum, and also ETF. All right, you are going to also see a virtual market like synthetic indices, basket indices, and Deriv, all in just one account. The next thing you need to do is just tap activate demo account. Now you are going to be asked to set MT5 password. So make sure you don't forget this password, because you are going to need this password when we are going to connect this demo account to the MetaTrader 5. So the password must be between 8 to 16 character, one uppercase, that's capital letter, one lowercase, small letter, at least one number from 0 to 9, at least one special character. This can be question mark, alt, full stop, exclamation mark, without no space. So let's just enter something random. So let's enter something random. Okay, so we have entered, so all the criteria here have been met. Okay, so you tap continue. So now you see CFD standard demo account activated. So you are going to now tab what? View account. Okay, because we have information here that we are going to copy to connect. Then you go to what? Details. Tab details. Now you see this is your broker, this is the server, and this is the login. Remember the password you used. So the next thing you need to do now is like you go to App Store or Google Play Store and install or download, all right, the MT5. So just come to App Store or Google Play Store, type MetaTrader 5, this one at the top here. You tap this one. So you are going to see what this, all right, MetaTrader 5. Mine is telling me to update, just like get or download or install. Then after which you just launch the app. So when you launch the app, you are going to see stuff like this, all right? You are not going to have any account. So what is going to happen now is like you go to this particular bottom area where you are seeing settings. For the iOS users, for Android users, your setting might be at the top, okay? Just make sure you look for what setting. After which you tab what? Settings. Then the next thing is like you tab what? New account, okay? Tab new account. So when you tap new account, you are going to say enter company or server name. So now go towards your Deriv account again and copy the server name. So you see server name, right? Deriv/demo. Copy this one. Copy, you see server copied. Then you go to your MT5 and paste. Then you go to the area here and just what? Paste. You allow this one to load. You are now going to see stuff like this. Deriv.com limited. You tab or you press. Then you see server Deriv demo. All right, make sure the server is the same. Now you are being asked for login. Go again to Deriv, your account, and copy the login. So now you see what? Login ID, copy, login ID copied, right? So the next thing you now need to do is go back to the MT5 here and what? Paste, all right? Just paste what? The login ID you copied. Now you have been asked for what? Password. This password, remember you are asked to create what? MT5 password. I mentioned about one with what? Uppercase, smaller case letter, number, and character. So just enter the password. After you have entered the password, then you tab what? Enter. So now you have connected what? Your account. You see this is what? $10,000. If you go here, you are going to see demo, right? The name which you use to verify your account and everything. Now if you go to the quotes area, you are going to see like what? Different figures. Now just go to the top here, this chart icon. You see you can trade crypto, you can trade crash and boom, you can trade other different stuff. All right, so I teach this in my physical mentorship and also online mentorship. All right, I teach this. If you are interested, just send a private message. All right, just check the description of this video and you'll be able to send me a direct WhatsApp message, or just go to our website www.josephsiseconcept.com. then you'll be able to send a message to us directly. Then you can enroll for our mentorship, so you know how to analyze all this stuff. So this is how what you connect your Deriv demo account. All right, this is how you connect your Deriv demo account. In upcoming sessions, I will show you how you can just trade with the basics, and also how to deposit, withdraw, and so many other things. If you do have any question, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. Stay blessed. I'm Joseph Sise, the CEO and founder of JSC Academy, Sierra Leone. JSC in the race to end poverty.